Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open your CAPITEC app and make sure you're logged in with your credentials. You'll need to be in your main account dashboard to access the transaction history. Step 2. Navigate to your recent transactions by tapping on the Activity or Transaction History section. Look for the cash send transaction you want to reverse, usually listed with the recipient's details and the amount sent. Step 3. Select the specific cash send transaction that you need to reverse. Tap on it to open the transaction details page where you'll see the full information including the date, time, and amount. Step 4. Look for the reverse or recall option on the transaction details screen. This button is typically labeled as reverse transaction, undo, or recall payment. Tap it to initiate the reversal process. Step 5. Confirm your reversal request by following the prompts on screen. You may need to enter your PIN or use biometric authentication to authorize the reversal. After confirmation, the system will process your request and notify you of the status within a few business days.